Money, it fuels our world, drives our ambitions, yet often remains shrouded in mystery. This lack of understanding can be a significant barrier to achieving financial security. This video dives deep into the intricate tapestry of money's evolution, shedding light on its true nature and its profound impact on our financial well-being. I'll start by saying that most of the information in this video comes from a book called Broken Money that was written by macroanalyst Lynn Alden. In her book, Broken Money, Why Our Financial System is Failing Us and How We Can Make It Better, Lynn Alden argues that the current financial system is outdated and failing to keep pace with a globalized world. That said, the back of Lynn's book perfectly sets the stage of what we are going to be talking about today. Here is part of what it says. There are over 160 different currencies in the world, each with a local monopoly and extraterritorial jurisdiction. But aside from the top handful of them, most currencies rapidly devalue over time and have little acceptance outside of their own borders. With various cross-border frictions, bottlenecks, and currency conversions, the global financial system is practically a barter system in this regard. Being born in the wrong country makes saving money harder than it needs to be. While the steady increase in energy production and the proliferation of electronics have improved human well-being over time, the global financial system hasn't kept up and continues to be a drag on economic productivity. This is especially true in the developing countries, but is also becoming apparent in the developed world, as debts and deficits grow without constraints and countries around the world deal with waves of inflation and bank failures. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It lets me know you are interested in these topics and encourages me to create more content like this. Imagine a time before coins or bills existed. Our expedition begins not with the clinking of metal, but with the cumbersome dance of barter systems. Picture a farmer exchanging a basket of freshly harvested wheat for a cobbler's sturdy pairs of shoes, an inefficient system ripe for innovation. Fortunately, human ingenuity stepped in. Seashells, with their scarcity, portability, and natural beauty, became the first form of currency, ushering in a new era of simplified transactions. These primitive forms of money laid the foundation for the sophisticated financial systems we navigate today. Then comes the Golden Age. As civilizations grew, the need for a more reliable form of currency arose. Here the gold enters. Its inherent divisibility, portability, durability, and scarcity makes it the quintessential medium for exchange for facilitating large-scale commerce. This golden epoch witnessed the establishment of the gold standard, where paper currencies derived their value from specific amounts of gold held by central banks. However, the stability of this system waned with the introduction of paper banknotes. Gradually, paper money became the preferred choice for daily transactions, relegating gold to the role of a long-term store of value. The history of banking is a testament to human innovation. Long before modern banks emerged, the Hawala system, a network of trusted merchants, functioned as de facto banks. They orchestrated secure money transfers across vast distances through a web of letters and reputational currency, laying the groundwork for future financial institutions. Another groundbreaking advancement was double-entry bookkeeping. This meticulous system of recording both debits and credits for each transaction fostered trust and transparency in financial dealings, revolutionizing the banking landscape. Today's banking system hinges on the principles of fractional reserve banking. Here, banks lend out a portion of deposited funds, effectively increasing the money supply in circulation. While this practice fuels economic activity, it also carries the risk of inflation, especially when reserve requirements are low. Additionally, the abandonment of the gold standard in the 1970s paved the way for fiat currencies, government-backed currencies whose value relies solely on public trust and government authority. However, these currencies are vulnerable to inflation pressures when governments choose to print more money without a corresponding increase in real goods and services. Equipping yourself with an understanding of monetary dynamics provides you with the tools to navigate the complex financial world. Here are some actionable strategies to consider. Invest in assets with intrinsic value. Prioritize assets like real estate that hold inherent value over time. Additionally, explore investment opportunities like Bitcoin, which some financial analysts like Lynn Alden believe adheres to the principles of sound money. Track your true inflation rate. Don't solely rely on official inflation statistics. Monitor your personal spending habits to understand the real inflation rate impacting your daily life. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions regarding budgeting, saving, and financial planning in an inflationary environment. Consider currency stability. If your local currency faces rampant inflation, transitioning to a jurisdiction with a more stable monetary system such as the US dollar or currencies pegged to it can safeguard the value of your hard-earned money. Spread awareness and advocate for change. Share your financial knowledge with others and advocate for the development of alternative financial frameworks built on robust principles, potentially even those utilizing cryptocurrencies. On the road ahead, we face challenges and opportunities. The landscape of money is constantly evolving, offering a tapestry woven with both challenges and prospects. Here are some key considerations as you move forward. First is the rise of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offer promises of decentralization, transparency, and increased financial autonomy. However, they also pose risks like heightened volatility and susceptibility to cyber attacks. The second one is the evolving banking landscape. Technological advancements are reshaping the banking industry, ushering in an era of online transactions and mobile payments. While convenient, vigilance regarding cybersecurity vulnerabilities and privacy infringements remains crucial. The third is financial literacy, the cornerstone of success. In the face of evolving systems and technologies, financial literacy holds the key to financial success. By cultivating a nuanced understanding of money management, investment strategies, and the intricacies of the financial ecosystem, you empower yourself to navigate towards a secure and prosperous future. We need to build a brighter financial future together. By demystifying the enigma of money and arming yourself with knowledge, you become the architect of your financial destiny. Here is how we can collectively strive towards a future characterized by transparency and equitable prosperity. Engage and educate. Like this video, subscribe to our channel for further insights into the world of money and personal finance. Disseminate knowledge. Share this video with your social circle to empower others with financial literacy and insights. Participate in the dialogue. Join online discussions and share your perspectives and questions concerning money and financial matters. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. The more we learn, share, and adapt, the better equipped we are to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. This video is just the beginning of your financial odyssey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.